Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm here to introduce you to the Dakota Stones round gemstone beads. Now we have a beautiful variety here, but today we are focusing on the round beads. So what I have here is I have 3 strands, and I just wanted to pull these out so you could really see the size difference from the 3 sizes that we've brought in for you. We have the 8mm, which is this largest size here. We have the 6mm, and we have the 4mm. Now, what's really great about these is these are all on 8-inch strands, which makes them really lovely and affordable. So that way you don't have to worry about, if you're buying too much or, you'll have stones that'll sit around for a while. Also, the reason I wanted to pull out these aqua impression jasper was so that you could really see the variety that you're getting in those 8 inches. But you're also getting a really nice uniformity with these round beads. You can just kind of see I'm just kind of rolling them on my table here. So to kind of go over what we've got here, we have a ton of gemstones. So I'm just going to start calling out a few that are just my favorites here. We do have some blue solidite. We do have some onyx here. I love the rose quartz. These are just really, really beautiful. I also love the blue goldstone. I'm just going to kind of pick this up so you can really see it. It kind of shimmers. It almost looks like a galaxy. And we do have the goldstone over here as well, but we have some pyrite, carnelian, tiger's eye, labradorite that has that beautiful flash in that gray. So just some really beautiful things. Here's some white howlite. So for all of these here that you're going to see, we do have them in all the sizes, which is really lovely, especially if you're trying to match them together and really use the same stone in different sizes. So again, just some of those beautiful stones up here. These are the 6mm. And then over here, these are the 4mm. Just beautiful, beautiful stones, great quality. So I do have a few projects here. So I'm going to start by kind of showing you this. So this uses those 8mm, and this uses the malachite bead. And it is just really gorgeous. And I love the pairing of gold and green. It's so classic, but it also kind of has a nice little ancient vibe to it. So I wanted to bring in these beautiful little tiara cast pieces to create this strung choker necklace. Now our designer Rachel, she designed this, and this is just so fun. And she actually did a great little video tip showing you how to sort of fill the spaces when you're using round beads on a rapid loom, so be sure to check that out very soon. And we also have this here. Now this uses the 4mm, and what I love about this is it actually gives a little bit of movement, and all these are is just, it looks like it's a really hard work, but it's just a cluster of, and I'll just kind of separate one out here for you. It is just a wrapped wire loop with a jump ring attached to this beautiful nun design teardrop. And I wanted to create a nice long necklace so that you could kind of use this as a fun little focal or with that layering trend that we're still seeing out in jewelry. So a lot of fun things to do. Choose your size, choose your styles and your colors, and we are so excited to bring you this beautiful collection of round beads from Dakota Stones. Be sure to check out beadaholique.com for a full list of everything you see here in this video. And if you're enjoying our videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button below.